Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under. Now we've got an unboxing to do. And this is from my friend in America. She is my proxy address, so I can cut down on postage, and also some sellers don't send to Australia, so we get stuff sent. I get stuff sent to my friend, and then she just pulls it all up and then sends it on to me in bulk. Rightio. So, what we got here? Ta-da! Shaving brush. Now, this is a Zenith brush, and I reckon this is horsehair. Bought this some months ago, probably 5 months ago, and it's just taken time since my friend Kaz has been able to send it all over to me. So that's that one there. Looks nice. I wanted another horse hair brush. That's the old box it came in. It's been a bit squished up. Made in Italy. No worries. What have we got here? Another Schick. I like these. As you have, if you watch my shaves over the past, I don't know how long I've been doing it now, 8 months. You'll see that I use these often. Pardon me. Very, very nice blade to shave with. That's comfort talking. That's correct. That is correct. Biohazard. Alright, we got some more blades. And that's 3 lots of Wilkinson sword, made in England. So I'll open up a tuck, try those blades out. If they're good to keep, I'll keep, and if they're not as good as, say, the Schick, well, then I might just move them on or give them away. Okay. This feels like it's cling wrap. Just trying to find an end. Oh, when in doubt. Let's make an end. Get the skizzers. I reckon these are more blades. Sorry about that. Just had a time waster in the shop. Maybe I can reuse this paper. Here we go. Some more of these. More than I remember. We've got here 5. It's interesting, a little bit of stain down the bottom of each. I reckon that's maybe the oil that was would have been in with the blades. So these ones I've only really, this packaging I've only really seen in recent times, and I reckon this must have been early early Wilkinson swords when they using dispensers. Just seems awfully long, doesn't it? Maybe one side took the old blade. Just let's have a quick look at what I opened up before. I was going to put into a separate video, but it didn't really seem too interesting. So I bought this as well. I'm going to add this one. I don't know if it's I know the cap is correct, but this is aluminium. Anyway, I was able to buy a coronation set, a case, sorry, that didn't have the razor in it. So I've bought the razor to match for the case, and the case hasn't rocked up yet, so hopefully we'll see that in a later video. And I bought this as well, and I just bought this for the case. This was inside of it. It's obviously just not the match. But let's have a look inside. So that's in really good condition inside. Beautiful condition. Okay, well, hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next unboxing video.